In front of me is Realme 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Apps. Then select App Cloner and tap on one of your apps you wish to clone. Then use gray switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. When it's ready, adjust those two options. Hit the default app to open and click on one of those. And also choose rename app clone, in order to change name of your cloned app. I will go with Facebook too. Hit save and go back. As you can see, after that my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!